Get inside the minds of real billionaires. What if I told you that billionaires are not who you think they are? That behind every fortune is a specific mental blueprint, and if you could access it, your life could change forever. Stay with me, because you're about to get inside the minds of real billionaires and discover how to unlock that same success for yourself. This is not just about money. This is about mindset. Every billionaire, from Elon Musk to Oprah Winfrey, from Jeff Bezos to Sarah Blakely, thinks differently. They don't rely on luck. They engineer their future by mastering their thoughts. And the secret is, anyone can do it. That means you. Yes, you watching this right now. Because the path to wealth is not reserved for the elite, it's reserved for the aware. Let's dive into their psychology, decode their beliefs, and most importantly, reveal 5 steps you can start using today to rewire your mind for extraordinary success. By the end of this video, you'll not only see how billionaires think, you'll start thinking like one. And your brain will thank you. Step 1. They think in decades, not days. Billionaires do not chase overnight wins. They think long-term. Jeff Bezos once said, "We are willing to be misunderstood for long periods of time." Their vision is measured in years, often decades. They understand that success compounds like interest. Every decision they make is filtered through the question, does this serve my future self? What you can do, start making decisions your future self will thank you for. Set a 10-year vision, not a 10-day goal. Write it down. Visualize it daily. Comment below, "I think long-term." That phrase alone will start reprogramming your subconscious mind for success. Step 2. They control their focus ruthlessly. Billionaires don't do more. They do less better. Warren Buffett once said, "The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. They eliminate distractions. They protect their time like it's gold, because it is. Their calendars are a battlefield of priorities. They don't chase trends. They chase truth." What you can do, audit your distractions. Delete apps. Block noise. Choose one major goal and obsess over it. If you're still watching this, you've already shown you can focus longer than 80% of people online. Like this video right now is a reminder to yourself, I guard my focus. Step 3. They solve bigger problems. Here's the billion-dollar truth. The size of the problem you solve determines the size of the wealth you attract. Elon Musk doesn't build toys. He solves transportation and energy crises. Oprah doesn't just entertain. She heals hearts. Billionaires ask better questions. What challenge is the world ignoring? How can I make this faster, simpler, better? What you can do, identify problems around you. In your job, your industry, your community. Look for friction. Then find ways to reduce it. Your wealth is waiting on the other side of the solution. Comment below with a problem you want to solve. Speak it into existence. Step 4. They train their subconscious daily. Billionaires don't rely on motivation. They train identity. They use visualization, affirmations, priming, and subliminal programming. Why? Because they know 95% of our decisions come from the subconscious. They don't leave their mindset to chance. Think of it this way, your thoughts are software. Billionaires just keep updating their internal code. What you can do, start with a 10-minute daily ritual. Say, I am focused. I am valuable. I am building wealth. Play this video and our How You Can playlist in the background while you work, move, or relax. Let it loop. Let it embed. Let it reprogram. Remember, repetition rewires reality. Step 5. They build identity before income. Here's the most powerful truth of all. Billionaires become before they earn. They don't wait until they have money to act wealthy. They embody it. They see themselves as leaders before the world does. And then, the world adjusts. What you can do, start now. Dress for the role. Speak with intention. Set boundaries like a leader. Invest time like a CEO. You don't get rich and then become the person. You become the person and then you get rich. Comment below. I am ready. Not tomorrow. Right now. Inside the mind is the key. Let's recap. Think in decades, not days. Guard your focus. Solve real problems. Reprogram your subconscious. Build identity first. These are not just traits. They are tools. Tools to escape the cycle of stress, struggle, and self-doubt. If this video lit a fire inside you, it's because something inside you is waking up. Like this video if you felt that shift. Comment below which principle hit you the hardest. Subscribe if you're ready to think like a billionaire, act like a leader, and unlock the success you were built for. And don't forget, our How You Can playlist is designed to work behind the scenes. Let it play as you clean, cook, drive, or sleep. Let it loop until you believe. Because belief becomes behavior, and behavior becomes results. You are not born to survive. You are born to unlock success. Welcome to the mindset of the ultra-wealthy. Let's make your mind your greatest asset.